Here in this slide, it shows the principle of your rolling process. Again, I can remind you, the process of rolling basically consists of passing the hot metal through two rolls rotating in opposite direction at uniform speed. Here in this diagram, the upper roll is the roll which is on the top, that is named as upper roll. The roll which is placed the lower side, that is named as lower roll. Here it shows the direction, and the gap between both the rolls decide the thickness of the sheet, or you can say the thickness of the work material. Next, here in this slide we can see a rolling mill, hot rolling mill pictures, where hot rolling is taken place. Now, rolling mills types. In this examination, in this chapter, that is the only long question which can be asked in the form of write about the various rolling mill stand. That means, as per that is, you can say, that is the types of rolling mills. Rolling mills means equipment is massive and expensive. Rolling mill configuration, in the rolling mill configuration, these are classified as 2 high roll mill, 3 high roll mill, 4 high roll mill, cluster mill, tandem rolling mill. Let's start one by one, starting from 2 high roll mills. Now, in this slide, it is some points which is written. First of all, we can verify the slide. Here we can see a figure where 2 rollers are shown. That means the upper roll is named as upper roll, and the bottom is known as lower roll, where you are having 2 roll. That is the name came from we are using 2 roll, basically 2 roll, so it is named as 2 high roll mill. This type of rolling mills consist of 2 rolls rotating in opposite direction. As per the rolling diameter is concerned, it is used for rolling of 0.6 to 1.4 mm types. Either it is subdivided into non-reversible mill and reversible mill. That means the 2 roll high mill is again subdivided into 2 types: non-reversing mill, reversible mill. Non-reversible means rolls rotate only in one direction, and the slab always move from entry to exit. And in reversible mill, direction of roll rotating is reversed after each pass, so that the slab can be passed through in both the direction. This permits a continuous reduction to be made through the same pairs of roll. Let me discuss again. In 2 high roll mill, as the name indicates, it has 2 rolls. One of the roller rotates in clockwise direction and the other moves in anti-clockwise direction. That means one is rotated in the clockwise direction, the another roll which is moved in the lower part is moved anti-clockwise direction. This type of mill is used for initial rolling of ignats. Basically, this mill is used for initial rolling. Again, as the slide shown, The 2 high roll mill is again subdivided into reversible type and non-reversible type. Reversible type means in this type the direction of rotation of the rollers can be changed. In reversible, the direction of rotation can be changed. That is, if one roller moves in clockwise direction, it can rotate in anti-clockwise direction also. Then we can discuss non-reversible type. It means in this type of mill, the direction of rotation of the rollers is fixed at any circumstances that cannot be changed in the direction. Then we will go through the next picture or next slide, that is known as 3 high roll mill. Now you can see in this case there are 3 rolls, one above the other. That means the placement of the rolls is one above the other. At a time, 4 single pass 2 rolls will be used. The roll direction will not be changed in this case. That means that the direction of all the rolls are always same. The top of 2 rolls will be used for fast reduction and the seat is shifted to the bottom 2 rolls, and further reduction is done. This cycle is continued till actual reduction is attained. Now we can discuss about some other points of 3 high roll mill. It consists of again of roll stand with 3 parallel rolls, one above the other. The direction of rotation of the upper and lower rolls are same, but the intermediate rolls rotate in an opposite to both. The direction of rotation of rolls is fixed and cannot be changed. By this, the workpiece is rolled on both the forward and return pass. First, the workpiece passes through the bottom and the middle roll, and then returning between the middle and top rolls so that the thickness is reduced at each pass. Through numbers of workpieces can be passed through the roll simultaneously, it reduces higher rate of production. This type of mill is used for finishing rolling. This type of mill is used for finish rolling of billets, etc. That means if you compare it in between the 2 rolls and 3 rolls, it is very easy for the comparison as concerned. In the 2 roll high mill, we are basically use 2 roll, and in 3 high roll mill, we are using 3 rolls in a parallel plane. In production point of view, 3 roll high mill is having high production rate in comparison to the 2 high roll mills. For the initial rolling of the ignats, we are using the 2 roll high mill, and for the final products, basically that means when the final production to be achieved, or when the sheet is to be final rolled, we are using 3 high roll mill. That means if you compare in between the production point of view, 3 high roll mill is having more production rate in comparison to 2 high roll mill. So basically 3 roll high mill is more usable in compared to the 2 high roll mill as per the rate of production is concerned. So it is 2 high roll mill is only used for rolling of eigenets.